Hey guys, good morning! Good morning sa inyo lahat. So today is Thursday! Finally, Thursday na ngayong araw. Ayan, bukas off tayo. Ngayon, half day tayo sa trabaho. Yes, sir! Woo! Ayan, so dadalhin natin ngayon itong ating RAV4 dun sa body shop. Ayan, medyo hindi tayo malilate. 9:30 ang appointment natin. We still have an hour para gawin lahat ng kailangan natin gawin. Ayan. At yeah. Medyo busy yung schedule natin for today kasi nga pinaplano ko pang mag-work mamaya after ng aking appointment. Which I don't know if it is still possible, pero gusto kong mag-work at least half day. And then para hindi naman mag-look bad sa ating employer. Although nagpaalam na ako and then they said no problem. Pero we'll see how it goes today. Ayan. At para sayang din yung half day na i-earn natin sa ating workplace. Sayang din yung sahod na yun, guys. Kaya samahan nyo ako. So let's go. Ihihiting ko lang tong ating sasakyan. Papababain ko lang yung RPM niya konti. Medyo painitin ng konti yung makina. And then good to go na tayo. Still have time. So dadaan mo tayo ng kape after nito. Okay? So papunta na tayo dun ngayon. Dadaan lang tayo ng kape dito sa may Tim Hortons. And then after nyan, good to go na tayo, guys. Yan. Nagkape na ako kanina pero nag-edit kasi ako ng video. Kaya kanina pang umaga yun nung naglas ako nagkape. So magkakape tayo ulit. Dala ko bang wallet ko? Susi. Phone nandito. Okay. And before anything else, kailangan kong i-google yung aking pupuntahan. Baka makalimutan.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running?
So malapit na tayo dito sa body shop kung saan aayusin tong ating sasakyan. 500 meters na lang. Puro pala industrial to dito sa may Bridges Street. Ngayon lang ako nagawi dito, guys, sa lugar na to. Yan sa may Highbury sa London, Ontario. Maraming mga ano rito, mga small businesses, mga fabricator. Ayan, may mga nagpa-forklift. Ang daming mga small businesses dito. Ay, may mga scrapyard pa rin sila pala dito. So, pwede palang magtapo ng mga scrap dito. May mga nag-accept ng ano dito, puro junk na sasakyan, no? Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Intact. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa
The
Intact.
destination is on your right. Arrived.
Oh, you know what? Arrive na tayo, guys. Intact. Solid pala tong Intact na to, guys. Maganda yung kanilang rito, service center, oh. So 9:30 pa naman yung appointment natin. Kaya maghihintay lang tayo ng saglit dito. Ayan. So pagpasensya niyo yung montage ko, guys, kasi hindi ko masyadong maanggil yung camera ko. Kasi nga mahirap, nasa 120 yung patakbo ko kanina. So kapag pinakita ko yung road, naka-block tong cap ng aking tawag nito, mount ng camera sa windshield. So pasensya na kung hindi niyo kita yung buo. At least kita niyo naman yung sky, di ba? So yeah, siguro papasok na ako just to let them know na nandito na ako. At if I have to wait for another 10 minutes, okay lang.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. How can I help you?
I do have an appointment for 9:30 today.
You do?
Yes.
Are you
Blitz.
Blitz?
Yes.
You sure do. All right. If you want to, we just have one seat. If you want to hang tight, I'll let Imogen know that you're here. Okay?
Okay, sounds good. No problem.
Perfect. Thank you.
Looking at the damages
Okay.
there. So what happened though?
So what happened was we were facing this way. We were facing, I think, north, and then there's a building right here beside us. So he was parking right in front of me. I gave him about a car and a half distance so he could make a left turn because left side is wide open.
Okay.
So you could do
half distance, so he said let him face to work around. And unfortunately, there's another car who parked beside him. And this was happening in the parking lot, but then we're not on this type of kind of parking where there's a line. You know, it's just it's a parking lot, but then it's a company parking area. So it doesn't have to be in the right spot. You know what I'm saying? You just drop at something and you go right away after that. And then what happened was he was waiting for me for like a minute for me to get into my vehicle, which I did right away.
not really, just once in a while when I get a chance. But situation like this, you know, I like to put it somewhere that I know when I want to take a look
Take a look at it.
yeah, take a look at it in the future, then I have something to go back.
Yeah. You are on YouTube as well, right?
Yeah, I do YouTube stuff, my friend.
And can I ask you?
So yun, nakakuha na tayo ng rental car. Toyota RAV4 din yung binigay sa atin. Ano ba ito? Ayan siya. Ang kailangan kong gawin ngayon, kailangan kong tanggalin yung aking car seat. Ayan yung car seat ko. Pero sabi sa akin nung agent, pwede ko daw papalitan yung car seat. So tatanggalin natin yung car seat tapos i-claim natin sa insurance company na kailangan palitan. So mas mapapaganda pa guys kasi bago na yung car seat ng anak ko. Kasi yung car seat yan medyo luma na. So papapalitan natin yan. Okay? So yeah, dyan lang kayo. Hey guys, so nakuha na natin yung
In about 1
rental
kilometer,
car natin,
turn right
guys.
onto Highbury Avenue North.
At medyo naninibago ako sa RAV4 na to. RAV4 pa rin yung nakuha natin. Pero medyo naninibago lang ako sa RAV4 na to kasi yung akin is XLE. So medyo mas mataas na trim. Medyo may booster seat na yon, hindi manual katulad nito. Ang chair nito is manual. Tapos yeah, malaki yung pinagkaiba, kumbaga. Tapos yung upuan hindi leather, pero it doesn't matter to me kung leather o hindi. It's just nakakapanibago lang kasi isipin mo ba naman 5 years ko nang dinadrive yung sasakyan na yon. Kaya medyo nakakapanibago. Tapos yung sitting position nito medyo mababa, parang nagda-drive ka ng kotse. So, pero ayos lang naman. Ayos lang naman.
At the next light,
Masasanay
turn
din
right.
tayo. It will take maybe 2 days bago ako maging komportable talaga. Ayan. So kahit sa GPS, gawa nga nung medyo mababa yung upuan, nakaharang pati yung
At the
cellphone ko
light,
dyan, no?
turn right onto Highbury Avenue North.
Pero masaya na ako guys kasi nga tawag nito, nabigyan ako ng rental car kaagad. Kaya sa mga taga Canada dyan, magandang experience. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na the best, pero napakaganda ng service na binigay sa akin ng Bel Air Direct. Ayan. Sobrang suabe, sobrang smooth ng kanilang service na binigay. Kasi nung as soon as na nakita sa akin na kailangan ko ng rental car, hindi na ako pinaghintay ng matagal guys. Within 10 minutes, nandun agad yung rental car. So napakaswabe, napakabilis lang. At may mga suggestion sila na alam mo talagang magbe-benefit yung mga consumer katulad ko. Kasi nga yung car seat,
In about 5.5
sinuggest sa
kilometers,
akin,
take the exit to merge onto Highway 401 toward
yung
Windsor.
car seat sinuggest sa akin na pwede kong papalitan gawa nga nung collision na nangyari, and who knows yung mechanical nung car seat baka nag-malfunction. So yeah, 'di ba? Yun yung isa sa mga bagay na talagang maganda kasi nga yung nagsasuggest sila, hindi yung parang tinitipid ka. Ibang insurance company, mayroon din ako na experience sa ganyan. I mean, hindi personally, sinamahan ko lang yung tao, pero parang hindi maganda yung service. Pero ito, the best guys, the best. Ayoko na magbanggit ng ibang insurance company na hindi nagbibigay ng magandang serbisyo. Pero guys, Bel Air Direct, May 4 na insurance company akong pinagpilian. Sila yung nagbigay sa akin ng magandang discount. Kasi nga, ano na tayo, full G, ibig sabihin, nakuha na natin yung parang professional sa Pilipinas na license. And then, more than 4 years na tayong full G. Kaya, gumanda yung insurance natin. And then, eto, plus tong services na binigay nila sa atin, which is really good. I just don't know. Okay, tinitignan ko dito yung sabi sa akin full tank to eh. So, tinitignan ko lang yung yung mileage. Yeah, full yung full yung iba yung digital lang niya ng dashboard niya, kaya medyo kinapa natin ng konti. Yan, pero ayun na, nakita ko na full tank siya, guys. So ibabalik ko daw ng full tank din. Yan, so pauwi na. At doon na tayo magkita sa bahay, guys, pagdating ko, para ipakita ko sa inyo tong binigay sa akin na rental car. Yan. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yun nga, hindi siya power seat, hindi siya yung keyless, at yung upuan, and then medyo mababa lang tong upuan na to, hindi ko pwedeng paangatin. So parang nagdadrive ako ng kotse, parang ganun yung feeling. Pero all good in the hood, importante meron tayong magamit, guys. At hindi ako nagrereklamo, ha. I'm just saying kung ano yung pinagkaiba nung sasakyan ko sa RAV4 na to, kasi pareha namang RAV4 eh. So sinasabi ko lang yung pinagkaiba, but I'm not complaining. Life is good. Let's go.
Let's have fun, guys. Sound trip muna tayo, pauwi. Para all goods in the hood. And pagkita bawat dito, dahilan tumigatiga dito ay ang kontrabida sa oras mo pinaputak. Stay in the middle lane. Sabi ko ay kamsa kamera sa babaw mo na nag-aakala nakalimot ako. Kamusta kayo?
It's a brand new song, baby. Let's go. Woo! Hey! May nanalo na. May nanalo na.
In about 1 kilometer, take exit 183.
May nanalo na, bro. May nanalo na.
02 west towards
Let's
Sarnia.
go!
Gusto ka po, sipis ko sa morning. Maganda ang gising na sa mood na mag-recording. Magkano panalo pag ang gusto mo ay all-in. Solo ko ang jackpot.
Going our separate ways. I should say in this relationship, hand in hand, then baby, baby,
I think I should have let it burn. Your body don't want to. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. Say it's up with you. Ain't the thought of us being with someone else, but you know that it's over.
So hey guys, ito yung binigay sa atin na rental car. Ayan, parang katulad din ng RAV4 ko, guys. Ayan, I think this is a 2021 model or 2022 model. Ayan. So not bad. Maganda, smooth drive-an. Maganda yung pitik niya. Maganda yung acceleration. Kaya yeah, so ito yung gagamitin natin for maybe 2 weeks hanggang sa maayos yung sasakyan ko. At yeah, we'll just gonna wait hanggang sa matapos yung sasakyan natin. And so nandito na ako sa bahay ngayon. Guys. Uy, nakalimutan pala ako sa sasakyan. Yung aking bag. So yun na nga guys, naikabit na natin yung ating car seat. Safety first, ika nga, di ba? So kailangan natin ng car seat talaga kasi malaking fine dito kapag walang car seat yung sasakyan mo. Tsaka of course, i-risk ba natin yung mga anak natin just for sa katamaran lang na wag magkabit ng car seat. So yeah, overall wala akong masabi. Good in the hood, you know. Importante meron tayong masakyan. That's all that matters. Sa Pilipinas nga, naglalakad lang tayo, magreklamo, diba? Diba? Nga pala, ma-share ko lang, sa Pilipinas, wala ako ni bike. Laging hiram. Alam niyo ng mga tropa ko sa Pilipinas. Kahit nga... may naglagay ng chocolate dito sa yung nag-rent pa siguro nung una. Yo, gross. Tapon natin. That's gross. So alam niyo ng mga tropa ko sa Pilipinas na nanghihiraman tayo ng bike dati. Kahit nga motor, wala tayong motor dati, wala rin bike. So ngayon na meron na tayong sasakyan. So pinagpapasalamat natin sa Panginoon lagi yan sa mga blessing na dumating. At always be thankful with what you have and always be appreciative of the things that you blessed upon. Kasi once in a lifetime lang dumating yan. Kapag pinakawalan mo, then babalik in a million times again. Okay? So, ingat kayo guys. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace!